Welcome to 6680. Okay, this is the Disney Destiny as seen right here. Okay, we are in a Hercules-themed room. It is absolutely stunning. This is an Oceanview room. Okay, so over here, up at the top here is where the bed comes down. You have this beautiful artwork. Okay, and then this couch also turns into a bed. You have this lovely window. It's huge, it's beautiful. I don't remember them being this big, so I'm very excited about that. We've got another cute little mural on the wall. And then over here we have cabinets. I'm gonna open these up so you can see all of the space in here. So much space. And then come over here and we have our mirror and vanity and stuff and all of our Castaway gifts. Okay, let me first show you the drawers and we'll get into the gifts in a little bit. So we've got one drawer that's a really big drawer. This is our refrigeration drawer. We've got our hair dryer and heat protectant. Another drawer, and another drawer, a chair, and then the spot for our postcards and letters, and room service. And for room service, you can select your delivery time, anytime from 5 a.m. to 9 to 9:30 a.m. And you can get things like juices, orange, apple, grapefruit, breads and pastries, fresh fruit, Danish pastries, assortment of muffins, croissants, donuts, white toast, wheat toast, English muffins, bagel, condiments like jams and honey, margarine, buttercream, cheese, cold cereals like cornflakes, Raisin Bran, Rice Krispies, Fruit Loops, Special K Frosted Flakes, whole milk, skim milk, low-fat milk, coffee, tea, hot chocolate. Okay, then let's talk about outlets because we love talking about outlets here. We've got outlets on this side of the bed. There is not a great one on the other side of the bed.
Okay, I lied. There's actually USB-A and USB-C ports right here next to the bed.
We have a whole set of outlets here. And then there's an extra one in the bathroom. Now, speaking of bathroom, here is our shower. See, there's shelves here and our soaps, our handle, and it is a tub, which is lovely. We've got our trash can and tissues, shelving over here, and towels, and a nice mirror right here. It's a full-length mirror. And then we go over to the other bathroom and, well, where the toilet is. Oh, and our final outlet is right up there. And then we've got all of our shelves here, sink, soap, hand towel, more shelving, hooks, and toilet, trash can, sanitary bags, and tissues. And then the biggest thing that I noticed that I am not used to sailing is the closet here has handles. So it's not a slide closet, which I am not used to. So yeah, you can hang up your stuff. You've got your laundry bag. Oh, if you've ever wanted to do laundry on a ship and didn't want to do it yourself, they do have dry cleaning, or I guess like laundry service. And these are the prices, right? Whoops. You guys can take a screenshot if you want it. God, I cannot get this straight. Hold on, let me try this again. Okay, these are the prices if you are interested. There you go, take a screenshot. Okay, and there's your laundry bag if you want to use it on your cruise. And then another closet and the ladder for the bunk bed. Now, something really important that, I don't know, most people don't care about, but I think is very interesting is we're going to be in W for our assembly station, and that is going to be in Worlds of Marvel. So we're inside, we're seated, and we're just chilling there when we go. And if you're curious where this is on a map, we are right here and the elevators are right here. Okay, these are all the things they gave us for the Disney Destiny cruise that we're on right now. Okay, let's start with the luggage tags. I believe these are the silver gifts, Okay, next up we have this Disney Destiny tote bag. Y'all, this is canvas and is so nicely made. The details are just amazing. The details are just amazing. We'll just unzip it so I can show you the inside. It's got pockets right here. Just a really nice tote bag. Okay, then we have this dry bag, which, you know, guys, this is very thick material. And it has instructions that you're supposed to put the stuff in it. You're supposed to roll it a few times, and then you're supposed to like clip it here. So we will test it out. You guys know I don't gatekeep, so I'll keep you posted on that. And then for the platinum gift, I believe we got these packing cubes. Now, y'all, there are quite a lot of packing cubes in here. So we have the big one, and then we have this one, and this one, and another one. And what's neat about them is some of them, so this one has I guess most of them look like the ship, the top view of the ship, but then we have one that has the front view of the ship, which is really nice. Now on the inside we have these clips on them, so it looks like you can get them even more, I guess, like compact, which I just think is a really great touch. So that's all the gifts from Disney for this cruise. I don't know if I've got enough room for this, so yeah. Okay, that is Stateroom 6680. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next video.